weather events have become far more intense and far more frequent and far more destructive in their nature, that they are not just destroying infrastructure that has reached their useful life, but even infrastructure that we have recently built. So this bridge, well, what was the bridge, is a demonstration of a problem that is facing all of Jamaica. It was in 2021 that the Troy Bridge, the former Troy Bridge that was here where we are now standing, collapsed just after the passage of a tropical storm. And the ensuing debate in Parliament was such that I had to make a commitment to both the Speaker of the House at the time, Member of Parliament Marissa Dalrymple-Filbert, and Member of Parliament Mr. Phillips from the adjoining constituency, that I would visit the area, talk to the residents, give them assurance that their bridge would be replaced.